Have you ever had barbecue for breakfast? Well, today I'm challenging myself to whip up some delicious BBQ breakfast kebabs inspired by Jamie Oliver, and I'm going to see if I can make them taste just as good as they look. Breakfast is often the most rushed meal of the day, but what if I told you there's a way to elevate your morning routine with a dish that's not only delicious, but also fun to make? BBQ breakfast kebabs are the answer. Inspired by the genius of Jamie Oliver, these bite-sized wonders are the perfect way to start your day off right. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile, so you can customize them to your heart's content. To get started, you'll need some essential ingredients. You'll need sausages. I'm using classic pork and apple. As well as some crispy bacon, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers. Don't forget the skewers and some olive oil to brush them with. You'll also need a grill, a cutting board, and a sharp knife to prep your ingredients. First things first, let's prep our ingredients. Take your sausages and slice them into bite-sized pieces. Then set them aside. Next, chop your bacon into small strips and cook them in a pan until crispy. Remove the cooked bacon from the pan and set it aside with the sausages. Now it's time for the veggies. Slice your mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers into bite-sized pieces and have your cherry tomatoes. Assemble your kebabs by threading a piece of sausage, a few pieces of bacon, and some veggies onto each skewer. Leave a small space between each piece to ensure even cooking. Brush your skewers with a little olive oil and season with salt and pepper to taste. Fire up your grill to medium-high heat, and once it's hot, throw on your kebabs. Cook for about 12 minutes, turning occasionally until your sausages are cooked through and your veggies are slightly charred. As we cook, I want to show you the entire process visually, so you can see these babies come together. From chopping the veggies to grilling the kebabs, it's all about the little details that make a big difference. One of the best things about this recipe is how easily you can customize it to your taste. Want to add some cheese or a sprinkle of herbs? Go for it. Want to swap out the sausages for some chicken or steak? You can do that too. The key is to experiment and find the combination that you love. As you're grilling, keep an eye on your kebabs to make sure they're cooking evenly. If you notice some of the veggies are starting to char too quickly, you can always move them to a cooler part of the grill. And remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first batch doesn't turn out exactly as you hoped. And there you have it. Our BBQ breakfast kebabs are finally ready. Take a step back and admire your handiwork, because these babies are downright stunning. The combination of crispy bacon, savory sausages, and slightly charred veggies is absolute perfection. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure, everyone. If you give these BBQ breakfast kebabs a try, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more cooking videos and recipe inspiration. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.